everyone, and thanks for coming along for the ride. Well, it's finally here. Where are we going, Charmaine?
We are going to Florida to meet up with Dean and Valerie, and then to Miami, and then we're flying over to Barcelona, Spain to catch a cruise line around the Mediterranean.
Vision of the Seas.
On the Vision of the Seas, that's right. And we're pretty darn excited for 26 days.
13 days on the Mediterranean, and then we're staying on the ship as it transitions back to Miami for another 13 days. So stick around, it should be a good time. Get to see Dr. Dean and Valerie again. So we pick them up, we stop by their house tonight and then drive with them to Miami. So stay tuned.
My husband Dean. We're on our way to Barcelona, Spain. Olé!
Hi, everybody.
Hey, good morning. We're all here headed to Miami.
It's going to be a great trip.
Where are we going, Valerie?
Miami to Madrid, and Madrid to Barcelona. And then spending a night in a hotel, and then getting on a ship. 13 nights Mediterranean cruise, back to the same port, and 13 nights Transatlantic. We're very excited about it.
Yes, we are, and we're with some really good friends, and we have a good time.
That's right. You always do. Okay, that's enough now.
Anything to add, Dean?
No, you guys said it all.
Valerie did a great job for all of us.
Okay, stay tuned. See you guys later.
Mañana.
Hi, this is Daryl.
How's it going?
Daryl Axelrod.
That is me. Thank you, Aunt Valerie.
And Aunt Valerie. Okay, that explains that situation right there.
Not aunt, aunt, you see.
Daryl's going to let us park at his house. He lives down here in Miami, and he's taking us to the airport.
That is true.
And if we can get there. Wow, that guy's... I can't believe the motorcyclists down here.
Yeah, they don't really care much for being alive.
Jeez.
And this is his neighborhood, his hangout.
Yeah, very nice. What area is this?
It's called Silver Bluff, the Coral Way area. So we're gonna go a couple more traffic lights and make a right, and then it'll take us to the back end around the airport, so we don't have to deal with all the craziness getting through the front bit.
Perfect.
Yeah.
See you guys later. Where are we at, Valerie?
We're in Miami at gate F716.
Waiting for the plane.
Waiting for the plane to Madrid. And we have a couple more hours to go. And then we'll be on the plane and fast asleep.
Hopefully.
Is that right
Hopefully
now?
we're going to be fast asleep.
All right.
Well, we made it to Madrid after a 8-hour flight from Miami. It's made it here at 11:30. We left Miami at 9 o'clock. There's our ride to Barcelona, Air Europa. There's the line. They're already getting lined up to board. There's Madrid Airport. About another hour, we'll be in Barcelona. Okay, where are we at, Valerie?
We are in Barcelona,
Yes.
Spain, España. Olé.
Hopefully,
Waiting for our luggage to get off the ramp.
yes. Hopefully it made it. We made it. If the luggage made it, we can find a hotel. We're in business.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Tomorrow we're on the ship.
That's
Yep.
right. Now we make it to our hotel, we're all set.
Get some food in our bellies, and
Dinner and a good night's sleep.
Yeah.
we'll be good to go.
Nice airport.
Very nice airport.
Much better than Madrid. Yeah, here's the waiting area in Barcelona, waiting to get on the Vision of the Seas. We got here a little early and it worked out.
Yes, we're happy.
We're happy.
We're going to be the first one aboard.
They're in timeout because they were bad.
I'm not in time
Weren't they bad?
You are. Hey, welcome to Royal Caribbean.
Welcome to Royal Caribbean.
Thank you. Thank you. Day 1 of our Mediterranean cruise takes us from Barcelona to Cannes. Day 2 to Livorno. Day 3 to Rome. Day 4 we're at sea. 5 we're at sea. Day 6 we're in Athens. 7 Mykonos. 8 Santorini. 9 at sea. 10 at Malta. 11 at sea. 12 at Marseille. And 13 back in Barcelona.
We're the first ones on Ballerina.
Vision of the Seas.